I want you to imagine a world where your crypto is not just safe but opens door to new possibilities. Well, that's exactly what we are diving into. The Safepal S1. The Safepal S1 is not your average wallet. It's like a powerhouse of security for your cryptocurrencies and safe and convenient way to store digital assets. It is reasonably priced and an excellent option for investors looking for an affordable and safe storage option. Safepal S1, the cold wallet company, has been invested and backed by Binance. It is a cold storage wallet, which means that it is not connected to the internet. Instead, it uses QR codes to communicate with the Safepal app or extension. Therefore, it is considered to be more secure than other types of wallet. In addition, the S1 has a physical button that you must press to confirm any transaction, helping to prevent accidental or unauthorized transfers. The wallet is designed to keep your private keys offline and away from potential hackers. It also has a variety of security features such as a password and two-factor authentication. The Safepal S1 hardware wallet is a legitimate product that can be used to store your cryptocurrency securely. It is a device about the size of credit card that connects to your computer or mobile device via a USB cable. Now let's discuss the main features of the Safepal S1 wallet that make it even more unique. Number 1, multi-layer security system. The top security feature of the Safepal S1 is its dual chip architecture, which means it has two chips inside it, where one chip handles the general business logic and the other, an independent EAL5 plus element chip, takes care of your cryptographic keys storage, also responsible for keeping the private keys of the wallet secure. Another important security feature is that this wallet is completely offline, and it means that the device cannot be hacked or accessed remotely. The Safepal S1 has multiple layers of security to protect against software and hardware attacks. If a malicious attack is detected, the device will activate its self-destroy and key erasing mechanism. This prevents anyone from stealing the cryptocurrency stored in the wallet. This is a powerful security feature that helps to ensure that your digital asset is safe and secure at all times. Number 2, user-friendly interface. Safepal S1 is designed to be user-friendly with a straightforward interface. The touchscreen makes navigation smooth and responsive, similar to using a smartphone. Setting up the wallet is a simple process, guiding users through each step for a quick and easy setup. The display on the screen is clear, making it easy to view and manage your cryptocurrency assets. Whether you are expert cryptocurrency user or a beginner, it aims to provide a hassle-free experience, simplifying the management of your digital assets with its user-friendly interface. It also offers simple backup and recovery options, so you don't have to worry about losing or damaging your wallet. Whether you accidentally delete your wallet or your hardware wallet gets damaged, you can easily recover your funds and continue using the Safepal S1 with minimal disruption. Number 3, supported currencies. Safepal S1 is a versatile wallet that likely supports over 58 blockchains and unlimited cryptocurrencies. This includes major players in the crypto world like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin, ensuring compatibility with widely used digital assets. Currently, it does not support Litecoin and EOS but promises to add a few more coins in the future. This wallet allows users to easily add and delete tokens as they see fit. This means that users can customize their portfolio of digital assets and add or remove tokens as needed. It also allows users to easily add support for new tokens by upgrading the firmware on the device. This means that users can keep their wallets up to date and support the latest digital assets as they become available. Number 4, buy cryptocurrency with a credit card. Speaking of additional features, something that has become very popular is purchasing cryptocurrencies straight from your wallet without having to register on and utilize the services of an exchange platform. Many industries leading hot and cold wallets offer this feature nowadays. Once again, it all comes down to convenience and ease of use. Safepal S1 does naturally offer this feature to its users as well. You will have the ability to purchase different crypto coins and tokens straight from your wallet by utilizing a credit or debit card. It also offers its users the ability to swap cryptocurrencies from within the wallet as well as participate in spot trading. Number 5, battery review. The battery life is also amazing. It lasted about a week or 10 days once you charged fully. The battery is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which is a type of rechargeable battery that is commonly used in electronic devices. Lithium-ion batteries have a high energy density and can hold a charge for a long time, making them ideal for use in hardware wallets that need to be portable and dependable. Number 6, Price. Now let's talk about the price. If we consider the value of security and peace of mind, the price is very minimal. The price is only $49.99. I have given the link in the description if you want to buy. It will be a great support to my channel also. Overall, Safepal can be nominated as one of the best crypto-friendly wallets for Bitcoin and Ethereum users. It is a budget-friendly wallet, especially for retail investors and new users who want to enter the crypto market and is looking for an affordable and safe place to store their Bitcoins and Ethereums. You can safely transfer and store your coins from the exchange market into your wallet. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, comment down below also. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share. Thank you.